Have you ever heard someone say they made a killing and wondered what they meant? This common English idiom can be quite confusing for language learners, but understanding it will significantly improve your communication skills. Imagine a new English learner, Sarah, at a business meeting. Her colleague excitedly exclaims, "We made a killing on that last deal." Sarah, taking the phrase literally, pictured a dramatic, perhaps violent, scene, her eyes widening in alarm. She quickly excused herself, thinking she had stumbled into something illicit, leading to a very awkward and humorous misunderstanding. So, what does make a killing actually mean? It means to earn a lot of money quickly and easily. This idiom implies achieving great financial success in a short amount of time and with little effort. It doesn't refer to any actual violence, contrasting sharply with Sarah's initial literal interpretation. Now, let's see how it's correctly used. John invested in a new tech startup, and within months, he made a killing. This means his investment brought him significant profits very quickly. Another example, the company made a killing on their new product launch, exceeding all sales expectations. This highlights the rapid and substantial financial success from a business venture. Here are some example sentences. They made a killing selling vintage clothes online. The real estate agent made a killing when the market boomed. He made a killing by investing early in cryptocurrency. To remember, make a killing, visualize a successful entrepreneur literally swimming in a pool of money quickly and effortlessly. This vivid image connects the idea of rapid wealth to the idiom. The idiom, make a killing, emerged in the late 1800s, possibly from gambling, hunting, or early financial markets. It reflects the cultural value placed on financial success and quick gains. While there are no significant regional variations, its usage has evolved to describe any significant profit gained with little effort. Similar idioms include strike it rich, meaning to suddenly become wealthy, and hit the jackpot, referring to winning a large prize. Clean up also means to make a large profit, often quickly. Opposite idioms include lose your shirt, meaning to lose all your money, and go broke, which means to run out of money. Take a loss is another opposite, meaning to incur a financial deficit. Related idioms include cash in, meaning to take advantage of an opportunity for profit, and turn a profit, which means to start making money. Reap the rewards also relates, signifying to gain benefits from hard work or investment. A common grammatical mistake is using make a kill instead of make a killing. Remember, the ing is crucial for the idiomatic meaning. Another frequent misunderstanding is taking the word killing literally, as Sarah did, implying violence. Always associate killing in this context with financial gain, not harm. Finally, avoid using make a killing in contexts where the profit was minimal or required immense effort. It specifically implies quick and easy, substantial profit. Now for a quick quiz. What does make a killing mean? A. To commit a violent act. B. To earn a lot of money quickly and easily. C. To hunt animals. The correct answer is B. To earn a lot of money quickly and easily. In summary, make a killing means to gain significant financial success rapidly and with little effort. Understanding this idiom helps you avoid misunderstandings and communicate more effectively in English. Now it's your turn. Share your experiences with this idiom in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's content, please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.